Eating papaya at night is bad for your health? Today, you will learn some myths and truths about papaya. Do you like papaya? Many people like to eat papaya for breakfast, in fruit salads, smoothies, juices, or mixed with granola and other ingredients. How and when do you eat your papaya? However, some people have doubts if you can or cannot eat papaya at any time of the day. To better understand the benefits of papaya, we listed some truths and myths about this fruit. Let's see. You can't eat papaya at night. False. If you like eating papaya at dinner, in a salad, as a dessert, or even in your main dish, don't worry. You can eat it at night as it aids in digestion and is a lighter option to end your day. The difference is that this fruit contains papain, an enzyme known for breaking fat particles, which helps with digestion. So don't worry about eating papaya at night, okay? We have a video about it on our channel. Papaya is one of the biggest sources of vitamin A. True, one of the benefits of papaya is that it is a source of vitamin A, which aids in eye health. Besides, the vitamin strengthens the immune system and has antioxidant action, fighting free radicals. All of that makes papaya great to avoid cell degeneration and thus premature aging. Papaya causes weight gain. False. Did you know that some people think papaya is responsible for weight gain? However, it is the opposite. The fruit is low in calories and fats, and as we mentioned before, has substances that stimulate digestion. In other words, papaya works for anyone who wants to lose weight and is looking for lighter foods for the day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Papaya and plum are good for constipation. True. Papaya and plum are rich in fiber, which can absorb water and accelerate intestinal transit. Papaya aids in the healing process. True. Another thing about papaya is that it helps in the healing process. Papain, which aids in digestion, as we mentioned before, is linked to that. This enzyme works as an accelerator of healing, which is good for anyone who wants to heal tattoos or wounds. Papaya is high in vitamin C, a substance that strengthens the immune system and acts in protein synthesis, essential for the healing process. So, did you know these things about papaya? Now that you know more about this fruit, you can eat it without any worries. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.